Hello everyone. As we go through the people surrounding us, or when I see the patients who are approaching me for weight loss or maybe to fit and fine, usually what we will advise about the diet, and we will advise to have some sort of exercises or some sort of activity regularly so that your body will be fit and fine, right? But what people will do, they will rush to gyms or they will rush to some hyper activities or exercises which they are not able to continue for longer duration, and they will stop in middle, right? Instead of those high gym qualities or high exercises, simple walking will make you a lot of changes in your health or changes in your lifestyle. But people will not be having idea about this, and they want the expensive things and they will run to gym, right? But a simple walking will make so many changes in your health and in your lifestyle. So today we will see what all benefits we have by simple walking. So what is this walking? Obviously we all know what is this walking, right? And also, not only like expensive items, the first point is it is very accessible, right? Anyone can, now I want to walk, then I can get up and I can start walking, right? It won't need any expensive instruments or the extra efforts to do it, right? Simple, we can get up early morning and we can start our walking. Any age people or any kind of stage people, not only rich people, not only middle age or not only poor people, anyone can have this, anyone can access it. Whereas the gym only rich people can afford, right? So this is the first tip. The second point is low impact. Whereas by through gym or any high workouts, we may get injuries sometime or we may get health upset sometime, because if continuously we do hard workouts, suddenly if we drop it, our health will hamper. Whereas walking will not impact anything and is very gentle for especially joints, right? So it have low impact and high result to our health. Third point is it improves our health. Whereas if we have a regular walking, it will stimulate the cardiovascular functioning, it will lower the blood pressure, and also it will improve the blood circulation. So it have very good effects, especially on these 3 points to our health if we maintain a regular walking. Next point is it boosts the mental wellness, because by walking outdoors in a fresh air, especially in early morning, it improves our mental wellness by relaxing our mind so that our stress level can decrease, so that it will give good impact on our anxiety, depression or frustration. Next point is it promotes the weight loss and management. Obviously it will not burn the calories like higher instruments or high exercises, but if you maintain the walking in a regular way, obviously it will burn the calories. With these, if you maintain a diet, obviously it will give good result in weight loss and its management. And last point is it enhances your health overall. By maintaining a regular walking, your flexibility will increase and your stress level will decrease. With this, the cardiovascular system, blood pressure or blood circulation will come in a good functioning, so that you will be overall well-being by maintaining a regular walking. Instead of putting your money in gyms or in expensive instruments, daily regularly 20 to 30 minutes of walking is very good for your health. It's very easy to do it regularly, right? So have a regular walking and have a good health without investing any money. So if you like the video, share with your friends and relatives, and especially comment in a comment section box how you felt this video, because no one will say about walking, right? In everyone, if you want to do exercises or some activities, everyone will opt you for some other expensive things, right? So by simple walking we can do all these expensive things without investing our money. So comment in a comment section box how you felt this video, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and relatives. This is Dr. Meenakshi signing off. Thank you.